Yo.
All right, we on day 2. I know y'all asked for it, so here we go. Cat doo-doo and all in my eyes. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning, and this is my hair literally waking up. I woke up like this. Beyonce, please let me get monetized one day. But yeah, this is my hair, like literally straight out the bed. And again, I usually do not wrap my hair up at night, but for purposes of this video, girl, bed head. But for the purpose of this video, I did wrap up my head. But I'm tired. I low-key want to go back and snooze, man. I don't even want to go to that gym. I'll be back.
Okay, hey y'all, hey, so I'm back. So this is day 2. Did I say that I was doing a lot of different days? Because I just feel like y'all should see day 2 and then we'd be done with this video. I can do another video. They'd be like, okay, y'all, this is day 5 how? Y'all know a lot of these people, they be like stretching it out. 17 videos for 17 days of the same now. But anyway, I did that. So anyway, this is my hair. All I did was take off the scarf, you know. I'm no longer a crip. I've given up that life. So I've taken the scarf off. So I'll be honest with you guys. Usually I don't wrap up my hair at night. And so this is usually not like this. But I'm trying to do something different. So this is the back. As you can see, maybe from the side, you can see how this part flattens, of course, at night. And this is all that I do. This is what I do. I literally just pull my hair out, just kind of wake it up. I don't put any more water in it, but that's what I do just to kind of wake it up. I'll look at it to see if it's doing what it's supposed to do. But I just kind of do that. I'll take my pick, bring it back to life back here, you know. Let me tell you guys, sometimes I'll get this. This doesn't happen often, but when I do, take my water bottle. If y'all don't have this water bottle, this thing is amazing. Let me just show you guys. I'm just, hopefully I don't forget and walk into the water, but hopefully you guys can see this. Hold on. That's one spray. It just like, and I actually put peppermint oil in my water. So I just do regular water and then a little peppermint oil. So all I'm gonna do is take this one little piece, and even though it does the continuous spray, I don't want it to spray on all my hair. And I'm actually happy this happened so you guys can see. So I just wet that curl up. Let's split it into 2. See what's happening. Can you see that? Yeah. So, and then I cheat. And I stick it in there. So I take the other one. And I stick it in there. So when it's dry, you know, they'll fall in place. Okay? That's it. Why does it still look like I'm asleep back here? I think that's it. There we go. All right. All right. Let me just brush this a little bit more. I'm actually doing, like I say, something different. My sides, excuse my puffy eyes. My allergies kicking my butt. Do you see that? So, I'm gonna take a little bit of the gel. So this is day 2 of my hair. It gets bigger and better along the way. If I remember, before I edit this video, I'll come back and show you guys like right before I wash it. But for the most part, this is really my hair. My hair kind of stays in this mode. If I go to the gym, my sides just kind of curl up. My hair will get wet. I sweat very bad in my hair, but it doesn't affect my curls. So some of you guys that are following me on Instagram, TrinityComedy, you've seen, you know, I go to the gym pretty often. And so, you know, I don't wrap up my hair. Matter of fact, I don't comb it. I just literally walk in the gym like, what's up? What's up? Everybody, hello? You know, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click that button. Make sure you click the notifications button so you can know when I'm posting, because clearly YouTube is like, ain't nobody checking for you. Y'all still there. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.
I think that curl in the back just wanted some extra attention. I ain't never had no curl just come out like boing, and you want to come out and play. Girl, go hide somewhere.